How to send an email on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send an email on Gmail PC, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do to send an email or a message is by going here in the top corner, click on compose option. Now after you click on compose, all what you have to do is add the email of the person that you want to send the message to, and here add the subject, for example meeting request, and here add your message, for example hey test, and here you add your text, regards Jacob, and after you finish click save right here. And yeah, and if you want to edit your message or edit something more, click here, and here you can change now the text color and everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe.